It's Gary and welcome back to my channel. So today it's birthday of my best friend, my cousin, my sister, Samriddhi Suri. It's our special day. So first of all, let's wish her happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Nobody likes you, but I love you. Yeah. Anyways, so it's her birthday today, and of course I got the invitation, and I am like my hands were tired. I am now getting ready for her birthday. So I just was thinking about what outfit should I put, and I just have like thought of something in my mind. Now I have to wear that and make it like I'll just show you the result like last month. So first of all, I have to do my makeup so quick, made here, cause like I'm of course late as always. So yeah, let me meet you guys after my makeup and my hair and my dress is done. And so much na. Open. And here's me. Baba. Outfit check the garden parent. So this is my outfit. I wore the same skirt my mother's day Lakwala. If you haven't watched that vlog, that was my latest video, so just go and watch. Sorta! Super man. We both are black and white marketing, and here's my brother's outfit. And I'm excited for something in the party. Yeah! Hi! Hello, Bua. Namaste. Hi. Who's Samriddhi? Hi. Namaste. Hi. Hi. Namaste. Hello. Namaste. So here's our food. So let's open gift. No, diary खोल्ने, this was later खोल्ने, and this was the gift खोल्ने. नि यार, यता. सुर्दै. त्यो पढ्न त्यहाँ.
Remember we lost the remote of the new time.
याद छ?
I was psychopath. Save, three. ये तो मामा हानि बेला आयो. यो के रे?
थोती.
अब थोतो भएको दिन के कसको पो एनिभर बेबी सावर थियो. सो हातले लेख्न इफोर्ट गर्न
होइन मैले हातले लेख्ने भए फेरि योपालि अलिक स्पेसल गरिदिउँ भने कि.
Everybody was holding. I don't even know how to start because no words can truly describe what you mean to me. You are my sister, my best friend, my safe place, and the one person who knows me better than you'll always be my constant, my cousin. Yes, but more than that, my forever favorite person. I love you so much. Spending an hour there. Bye.
अब हामीले त हेरेको न हामीले त
एक दुई हप्तादेखि
होइन मैले बनाउन चाहिँ यस्तो दामी बनाउन खोजेको थिएँ होइन यस्तो दामी बनाउन खोजेको थिएँ तर अझै राम्रो भएन.
सूचना बुनेको भइरहेको
फोटो फ्रेमवाला आधी घन्टा लाग्छ त्यो गर्नु. त्यसलाई ज्याकेर बनाइदिन्छु.
होइन मैले भर्खर त प्याकिङ गरेर हो.
Oh my god, मेरो प्यारो ओलिभिया रोड्रिगो. स्पेलिङ पनि राम्रो लेखेन चाहिँ.
त्यो छोड्दैन उसले स्पेलिङ हेरेर बस्या हो. सदीक्षाले दिए होइन. यस्तो आइफोन 16 प्रो म्याक्स आएको.
म त 15
एउटा तैँले बब्लुबाट ल्यायो चाहिँ
के
decoration and this is the cake. अनि समृद्धिलाई अब aesthetic pictures चाहियो रे.
Oh my god.
Happy birthday, dear Samriddhi. Happy birthday, Samriddhi. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Coke. Now we are just sitting here for a bit and enjoy our After that, I don't know. We don't. We will. No line, guys. No line. This is something that I guess good को. It's like so damn